Small paddy. خیلی خوب.
Put it down. Put it down. Yeah, right, Gordon.
Gentlemen, I'll give you the future.
And leopard, they're not the targets, but they are collateral damage. Poacher will not set a single snare, so he might have 40, 60, 120 snares. When coming to service them, he might have 16 animals killed in them. 16 animals have died a horrible, lingering death. He can only take out 1 or 2. It really is a scourge. One of the baby elephants in this group has a snare around its leg. Now this snare has the potential to kill that elephant. At the moment it's slowing it down, and in fact slowing the whole movement of the herd down. They all have family ties. You see the baby elephant surrounded and supported by an aunt, a sister and a mother. An injured child creates a similar sense of trauma and stress as in our society. We are going to have to intervene, drug the animal, remove the snare and give treatment, or this animal will die. So it's this type of injury and the stress that it causes, that is what we're trying to stop here. I ripped the whole quadricep muscle from the knee joint when tackling a poacher 3 months ago. Due to corruption, that poacher was let off in court. This is the injury that will stay with me for the rest of my life. When that type of corruption is coupled with this overwhelming, constant day-to-day pressure, then you go through periods where you really are feeling that you. But this project, other I4 projects I've run, have made a marked and defining difference. I4 has a very important implementing role in everything we do. We don't just donate a boat, we give specialized training how to maintain, manage, how to pilot the boat. And this results in the equipment that we donate becoming especially valuable. The Macheru Nursery School, an adult literacy training center, it's a very cost-effective program. Bringing a wildlife and a conservation theme to nursery school children really is implanting that conservation seed.
Our aim is to make these responsible citizens one day when they grow up and be fathers and mothers and the future leaders of this area.
By keeping the little toddlers occupied, teaching them basic skills,